Have you ever wanted to create an anime game? Have your protagonists stumble their way around a harem and have quirky conversation through the school halls? Ride a yacht? Have deep and meaningful conversations at the park after dark? Get up to some zany adventures in the school halls? Ride a yacht? Go catch a movie with some friends? Chill out at the arcade? Ride a yacht? Work out at the gym? Jam it out at the karaoke bar? Ride a yacht? Explore the city? Have a bath? Ride a train? Oh, that's not a yacht. I'm super stoked to announce the first fully fledged tile set designed by LvL Design. Anime Slice of Life tile set. I've been handcrafting these assets for the last 2 months, and in celebration of this announcement, I'm giving all of my previously created assets away for free. That's right, just head to the link in the description, fill out a bit of information, and then you'll be able to have all of my previously created assets for free. When making this tile set, there was one thing that was really important to me. I wanted you to be able to make a game from start to finish using only this tile set. Not having to spend hundreds of dollars mixing and matching different tile sets from different artists. With the Anime Slice of Life tile set, you'll be able to create from start to finish your very own anime game. Coming in Q3 of 2022, if you're not subscribed yet, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, because I'll also be posting a launch video for when I launch the assets, and you don't want to miss it. In the meantime though, head to the link in the description that'll take you over to my website where you can get access to free RPG Maker assets, as a celebration of the announcement of this tile set. Catch. Ow.